Hello, my friends! Today I have my very last Moyou London order. So let's see what's inside. As you may or may not know, Moyou London is no longer going to be selling or stocking stamping supplies. So no more plates, no more stamping polish, none of that stuff. Moyou is going to be focusing on those nail wraps. So there's not much left in the shop, so I got what I could. And I bought this on the 27th. They shipped it on the 28th. Today's the 1st, so that is just amazing. I can't believe how fast that got here. So like I said, yeah, I mean, this isn't really like, you know, to show off the plates because they're all going to be gone soon. But let's just check out what I got. This is an artist one, artist 18, and I like this one just because it's kind of like this beautiful, like the plate itself is kind of artistic, so I kind of like that. And I also really like this bird here. So none of this stuff's really going to be able to like fit on the average nail, but there's some really cool little designs in here, and I just love these kind of, I think it's mucha, these women. So that one's pretty. This is the size matters. No, I'm just kidding. This is like for long nails, really long nails. And I really like these negative space, like botanical stuff. I just don't have enough of that. And I really like this long grid. This is artist 05 and kind of a similar one to that other, or that first plate. So these images are kind of big, but like the plate itself is like really beautiful. So we've got all these, like, I think Renaissance paintings in here, and I think I could probably fit some faces, so I thought that was pretty beautiful. So all of these, with like one exception, I think were $5, and I think that Size Matters one was like $3 or $4. This is a fall collection, Fall in Love. I have a couple of these, but I didn't have this one, and this one's kind of random. I really like the random, like, democracy things, like the pen is mightier than the sword and the Capitol building here. I love the typewriter. That's what really sold me on this plate. What is that? Oh, that just says Moyou. Okay. Little stamp. Yeah, super cute. I like that one. This is one of the botanicals. And again, I have a couple of these already, but I didn't have this one. So bloom where you are planted, little sprout, big dream, never stop growing. And yeah, I like these little negative space things here, and I think it would be nice to reverse stamp some of this a little bit. And yeah. One more botanical. I had a really similar one to this as well, of course, but I could not resist these birds and these kind of like Egyptian looking flowers and stuff. Super cool. It's almost like they're Halloween. This is like one of those lo-fi, I think, style things. They're calling it La Musée. But yeah, it kind of, this is a little bit like older style now, but I think it still looks really cool. I like the brick and like these little portals and stuff, and that's a good yin-yang. So last one, the last of the last, botanical. This one's really similar to that other one. I almost actually got one and not the other, but they're different enough. So we have like the birds, same kind of birds, but they're in a different position. And yeah, I actually have like a bedspread with these like weird little flower patterns on it, so I thought maybe I could recreate that. But anyway, yeah, so sad, very sad, bittersweet, I suppose. No more Moyou. Well, anyway, yeah, I just wanted to kind of like share that information and then just look at some plates because that's always fun. But yeah, let me know if you managed to grab anything or if this is news to you. Full disclosure, I did not get a confirmation from them directly, but I was on Reddit and somebody screenshotted an email they got from them. And there's also just been like a lot of, you know, like talk floating around that Moyou is not going to do this anymore. So it has been confirmed by Moyou, but I just don't have that directly to me, but here is a screenshot. But there's been lots of other plate companies that have been forming, like kind of like indie brands and stuff, which is really cool because we get a lot of different kind of art styles. All right, y'all, well, get it while you can. Bye.